Team Exercise 100. Self-evaluation. During the exercise, the team sits in a circle. You tell the team each person is going to evaluate himself. First, each person will think of a characteristic he thinks that has a positive effect on the group. One person begins to tell what it is. In this case, someone says, "I think I'm a very good mediator. When there's an argument between two persons, I'm very good at fixing it." Now the other persons show how much they agree or disagree on a scale from 1 to 5. They do this by raising a hand, putting up 1 to 5 fingers. 1 stands for "I totally disagree" and 5 stands for "I totally agree." The person that just said what he thinks is a good characteristic now looks around and sees on what scale the other participants agree or disagree. Go on like this until each participant has had a turn. Now each person will say what he thinks he can improve upon. In this case, someone says, "I think I can use a bit more social awareness. When things don't go as I want, I can be rude to people." Again, the rest of the participants put up their fingers on a scale from 1 to 5 regarding how much they agree or disagree. The person that just said what he thinks he can improve upon looks around to see how much the other persons agree or disagree. Go on like this until each person has said what he thinks he can improve upon and saw on what scale the other participants agree or disagree. The trainer guides the team and applies variations to the exercise. What kind of variations you can read below this video on YouTube. And haven't you subscribed yet? Hit the subscribe button below this video and become a team member on youtube.com/teamexercises to improve cooperation and communication.